Here's a number that should make every local business owner a little nervous. Most people who call a business and get a voicemail will just hang up and call the next one. They don't leave a message, they don't wait for you to call back, they're gone. So every missed call is not really a missed call, it's a customer who walked into your competitor's hands. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the thing I built inside GoHighLevel to fix that. An AI receptionist that answers the phone, talks to the caller like a real person, and books appointments right into the calendar 24 hours a day. And we're going to keep it very, very simple. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm going to explain this because when I say AI receptionist, your brain might jump to one of those awful robot phone menus. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that, and that's not what this is. Here's the whole idea. You know how a great front desk person works. The phone rings, they pick it up, they're friendly, they answer the normal questions people always ask, like, are you open on Saturdays? How much does this cost? Where are you located? And when someone wants to come in, they pull up the calendar and book them a time. That's the entire job. And the voice AI inside GoHighLevel does that exact same thing, except it's software. It never sleeps, it never calls in sick, and it can pick up the phone the second it rings, even if it's 2 a.m. or you already have 5 other calls going at once. The caller just hears a natural voice answering their questions and helping them book a time. Most of them will never even stop to wonder if it's actually a person. So why is this such a big deal, especially for local businesses or an agency running this for clients? Let me put real money on this. Think about a hair salon, a dentist, a plumber, a law office, any business where the phone ringing is literally how you make money. When you're busy with a client, you can't answer. When you go home for the night, nobody answers. When you're slammed on a Monday morning, calls go to voicemail. And like I said at the beginning, those people don't wait around. They call the next name on the list. So businesses are paying for ads, paying for a sign, doing all this work to make the phone ring, and then losing the people right at the finish line because there was no one there to actually pick it up. An AI receptionist closes that gap, catches every single call, even the ones that would have been missed, and turns them into actually booked appointments. And if you run an agency, this is the kind of thing you can set up once and sell to local businesses all day because the missed call problem is everywhere. Okay, now let's walk through how you can actually build this in GoHighLevel. Okay, so if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can actually use our exclusive link down below and get an extended 30-day free trial. Once you click that link, you'll just click start extended free trial. You'll enter in your company name, full name, email, address, and phone number, and then you'll have to put your credit card in, but if you're still deciding, just make sure you set a reminder on day 28. Okay, once you are in, you will get taken to your launch pad. We have other videos detailing how to use everything. I'm going to stick with the AI stuff for this video. So what you're going to do is go to AI agents. So here you can see is the voice AI and the conversation AI. Voice AI is answering calls. Conversation AI is a message. So kind of like a text message, WhatsApp, whatever it may be. What we're actually going to do first is build the knowledge base. The reason you want to build a knowledge base first is because you're going to have to add that to the agent that you create. Example, create knowledge base. So just type in your knowledge base name and then the description. So I've created one for a med spa. The more information you give it, the better it's going to answer questions. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and add your website link. Once you just paste your website link in, then it will crawl the site and then train the AI on that. Okay. Then if you have frequently asked questions that you want answered a specific way, add all of them in here, right? Because, okay, do I need to do anything to prepare before a hydrofacial? You don't want the AI to guess what that answer is, right? You want to be very specific. Yep, we just asked that you avoid retinol and exfoliating products for 48 hours. Super easy to add multiple here. Then you can add in tables. So maybe if you have a pricing sheet or something like that, you can add it in. Then there's also just other text you can add, and then you can import and upload files as well. The more information, the better. The people that say it sounds too AI are the ones that aren't actually feeding it enough information. So once you've got all of your knowledge in there, then you're going to come in here. You can go ahead and create your agent. So I've already created one, but it's really easy. You just click create agent and answer a couple questions. So I created Jessica, med spa assistant. I just created the business name. Here you can go ahead and select from a bunch of different voices that you would like. You can see high quality, accent, male, female. You can determine the voice model and the LLM model, time zone, and then the agent's initial message. So, hey, you've reached insert business. How can I help you today? Okay, but make it custom to you. Then you'll add in the agent goals. So you'll want to make sure you select the knowledge base, and then when to use this knowledge base, use this knowledge base if the user answers any questions about the businesses or services or products. You can customize all of this. A prompt, again, it's just giving it more information of how you want it to flow. So then I also added an appointment booking action. That's what the goal is of this agent, is to book, right? Like, yes, we want them to answer questions, but the main thing is we want to answer enough questions to get them to actually book. So all you have to do is go ahead and select from your calendar. If you don't already have a custom calendar, you just come over here to the left under calendars and create a custom calendar with all of your availability, etc. So it will actually book a real appointment in your real schedule on your real calendar. Okay, there's some other settings in here, but again, that's the basis of it. You can go ahead and enable availability, probably want it on 24/7. Then there's dashboard and logs. Same with conversations. So for a message, right? We got the med spa chat bot that I created. So you can set the bot status to off, suggestive, or autopilot. So the bot replies automatically based on trained data. This would be my recommendation. But if you're an agency selling to people, maybe you want to do it more of a suggestive, right? Or just to warm people up to the idea of AI. Here you can see all the supported channels, SMS, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Then you can even configure autopilot mode. So if you want the wait time before responding, etc. So it looks like, someone's actually taking the time to think about an answer. And then reactivate bot after 2 hours, right? There's all these custom things that you can set up. Here you can even test your bot super easily. I want to book an appointment. I've got openings starting today, June 11th. Some options are 10, 10:30, 11. Want to pick one? See how easy that is. And if you just reply, and it will go ahead and book that on your exact calendar. There's some other bot goals, right? So your goal is to get a customer booked. If you wanted a different goal, you could do that too. Then you can set up actions. So trigger a workflow. Human handover is probably going to be a good idea too. I want to talk to a manager, or I want to talk to a human. That way it's passed over to an actual human. And then you can select who. Then you've got appointment booking, auto follow-up if they stop replying, and then human handover. Last thing I want to show you is how to add it on your website. So you just create a chat widget. You can see the chat type. So live, SMS, email, voice, chat window, have a question, etc. There's also messaging, okay. Agent, you obviously want to assign the agent. And then another thing that's cool is, yes, you can have this on here, but you also can just have voice AI as well, which is cool. So you can basically have like a voice chat on the website as well. So it doesn't have to be just someone calling. But again, it's really simple to set up. You can do it in under 20 minutes. Obviously, you want to go in and test it and see what's working, see what's not working, adjust as you go. But to set up the first initial AI assistant, it really just takes like 20 minutes. It's crazy. Okay, now I want to be honest with you about something because I never want to oversell you on this. An AI receptionist is amazing at the normal stuff and everyday questions and the standard bookings, which is honestly most of your calls, but not every call is normal. Sometimes someone has a weird specific question, or they're upset, or they need a real judgment call that only a human should make. So that's why the smart way is to not have it only AI. You want to make sure that you can transfer to a human at any time, okay? Which is why we selected that setting that I showed you. And that's how you get the best of both. The AI handles the flood of simple calls so your people are not drowning and the tricky ones still reach a real human. Anyone who tells the AI can handle 100% of your calls with 0 people involved is overselling you, and I'm not here to do that. Okay, really quickly on cost, because I want you to know the number going in. So inbound phone calls like this are covered by the $97 a month AI employee bundle in GoHighLevel, which is the plan that handles the receptionist side we just built. But for most businesses, that number is nothing compared to the appointments you stop losing to missed calls. Just keep an eye on your usage at first so there are no other surprises. And in terms of the actual plans and pricing options, they do have a couple different options. So you can pay monthly or annually, but you're going to save a bit with the annual plan. The starter plan is $97. You get all core features and 3 sub-accounts. The unlimited plan is $297 a month, and you get everything in the starter, but you get unlimited sub-accounts and then other things like basic API. Then the agency pro is $497 per month. You get everything in the unlimited, but there's SaaS mode and auto sub-account creation, and then advanced API access and more. So depending on what your business is and the kind of business you have and where you're at in business will depend on what plan you actually need. So let's go ahead and put it all together. You saw how I built the voice AI agent inside GoHighLevel, trained it on the business, gave it a warm human voice. You also understand how to book real appointments, so nothing ever gets missed. You kept a human handoff for the complicated ones, and you gave plenty of information to set everything up correctly. Do that, and you have a front desk that never closes and never misses a call, all while working around the clock while you sleep. Again, if you want to build this yourself, the link to that extended 30-day free trial is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate linked, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And if this helped you, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more walkthroughs that keep keep it super simple. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.